Hello and welcome back to my channel. The weather looks promising, so I decided to take you on a scenic road trip to Denali National Park. It's a 3-hour drive from my home in Talkeetna, and even though the roads might be a little icy, the stunning mountain views promise to make it all worthwhile. So buckle up, let's enjoy the ride. Just about an hour into our journey, I'm making a stop at Kesugi Ken. Here you'll find a few cozy public use cabins available for rent. Each cabin offers breathtaking views of Denali, the highest mountain in North America. The cabins are basic, but the location is spectacular. Think of it as glamping. Bring your own sleeping bag, food and firewood. Oh, and booking in advance is a must. Stop, Broad Pass. I always make a stop here. The views are simply stunning, and on a clear day like today, you can get a perfect glimpse of Denali's majestic peak.
All right, I'm finally here, Denali National Park, and I'm walking down to the canine rangers, the sled dogs that help patrol Denali National Park and Preserve. They are four-legged park rangers. So I'm going to take you there. And the cool thing is, I'm seeing them in the wintertime, where they are most definitely in their element. Normally you don't see the dogs in the winter. Well, sometimes you see them here, but oftentimes they are out and about doing what they are hired for, working in the park.
Denali is the only US national park with a sled dog kennel. These dogs are a part of Denali's history and help with ongoing operations. They are park rangers. Their value lies in their ability to navigate the park's vast, challenging wilderness during the harsh subarctic winters. Unlike snowmobiles or planes, these sled dogs are reliable in extreme conditions, readily functioning at 40 below. Now I want to talk about something important. I'm incredibly concerned about the widespread federal layoffs impacting our national parks and forests. The National Park Service, the U.S. Forest Service, and other vital agencies are being gutted, and the consequences are already severe. Lives upended for dedicated park staff who are losing their jobs. And the effects are rippling out to the public. With longer wait times at locations like Denali National Park, cancelled campground reservations, and a general decline in the quality of the visitor experience. This isn't just about inconvenience. It's about the future of our national treasures and the dedicated people who protect them. The situation is devastating and demands immediate attention. Please write to your state's representatives and ask them to bring back our park rangers and other vital federal employees. Let's meet some of the sled dogs. The dogs play a vital role in various park projects, assisting with scientific research, transporting building supplies, breaking in winter trails, checking up on historic cabins, and maintaining a ranger presence in the park for Denali's winter visitors. Utilizing sled dogs significantly reduces the reliance on noisy, polluting aircraft and snowmobiles, and this aligns perfectly with the park's commitment to preserving its pristine wilderness. Their quiet operation ensures minimal disruption to the park's natural soundscape. While dog teams are slower than motorized options, their reliability and minimal environmental impact make them a top priority for park management. Next stop, Murray Science and Learning Center, which serves as the visitor center during the winter months. Here you can learn about Denali's ongoing science projects and pick up some awesome souvenirs. Oh, and look! Some stickers I designed for my travel stickers. Each purchase here directly supports the park. Win-win. Park rangers are actively involved. Here at Denali's Winterfest, you'll see them judging the snow sculpting competition. A little further down the road, at an old log cabin, the rangers and volunteers have a campfire going, where visitors can roast marshmallows and make s'mores. A park ranger's role goes far beyond that, educating visitors, protecting wildlife and the environment, conducting crucial research, and maintaining trails. They are essential for ensuring a fantastic visitor experience while securing these public lands for future generations.
You have a good time with that. Look at me inviting myself again tonight.
Right?
I haven't.
Time to head home. The shadows are growing long, but I have to take one last look at breathtaking Denali from the north side before we leave. The sun is setting quickly as I head south, back towards Talkeetna. But look at this incredible sunset over the mountains. What a day! Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And consider visiting Denali National Park yourself. Until next time, happy travels!